Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we will try to learn about BSL command in Allen-Bradley PLC. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will choose one input address to execution this command. So I0.1 I will choose my input bit, and next we will choose that file this first command bit shift left register. In the file source we will choose B3 colon 0 for example, and control register we will choose R6 colon 0, and bit address we will choose B3 colon 0 slash 15 for example. Because of this is the total 16-bit data, and in binary, if I can show you, you can see here see B3 colon 0, this is the total from 0 to 15, means 16 bits are available in this command. And how we can use this command, I explain you with the one simple example. We will choose some bits here. 15 bits we will choose. For example, 1, 2, 8. So, and next we will choose one output address, and simply in the binary address from 0 to 16 we have to give address. So this way you will be understand because of this the 16-bit, and this any you can choose this for only just on off. This will be not on off, but it will be show you this bit shift left system. Download to the PLC. For an example, in this binary address, if I will make first of all zeros, and at the 15 number I will give only just one address. And now you can see as I give the signal at I1 I colon 1.1 is it will be travel to the left side. It starts from B3 colon 0, and as I gives the one signal it will be moves to the in left side signal. B3 colon 8, after in 9, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and again it will be repeat to the B3 colon 0. Because of this is the 16-bit, system, and it will be continuously moves to the in left side. And if, for example, if in this one another signal came at any bit, for example 8 number bit comes any signal, it will be moves in sequence to the left side, and after again look like moves in sequence. You can see this will be running in sequence, and for example this first one bit is signal gone and another part will be come, for example comes after, this will be moves in the sequence. See, and when you use in the program, when you're designing, for example in at any conveyor or some bottles program, basically this commands used in the bottles filling or packing systems. It's a very helpful command in the packing systems. This I colon 1.1 is your main register input, and second this B3 colon 0, for example this is your product input, where your product input signal comes, after that will be moves into the continue to the left direction. And as per same, if this command you like to choose in right condition, so simply you can change only here is a right bit shift right register, and when you choose that bit shift right register, this and download it, and this your bits will be moves to the right direction. But when you're using in the program, it's used with your own logic, and this command will be very helpful. And see, now it's to the back condition in right direction, same as last when signal will be gone, after when you gives the signal at, for example at the binary address when you gives the signal one number, and it will be moves to the right direction. And if you choose this one left direction, it will be moves to the left direction. So it's very simple and very easy, but when you're making the logic, you can choose this the left direction or right direction, and this is your bit address and this is your file address. Any file you can choose B3 colon 0 or B3 colon 1, or you can input address physically internal external inputs of the PLC. This signal you can choose from the outside the field, where is your sensor placed. This any part when comes to the in front of your sensor, after this bit will be high, and it will be moves in next signal to the next bit. So this function will be repeated, and it's very easy and very simple. So I hope you understand about this bit shift left and bit shift right register, how we can use in the program. If you not understand anything, you can send me a message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.